Once thought to be gentle herbivores, these creatures undergo a terrifying metamorphosis when darkness falls.
Alright viewers, today I'm going to show you how to generate an incredible documentary-style film video featuring dragons, fantasy creatures, and unique geographical animals. This niche is currently trending massively, and as you can see, the type of video I created looks absolutely stunning. And the best part? It was made with just one click. So without wasting any time, first open YouTube and search for the channel Pokemon Wildlife Documentary. As you can see, this channel is currently trending. Even with only around 40 videos uploaded, most of their videos are getting 300K plus views, which clearly shows the power of this niche. If you explore their popular videos, you'll notice that all of them follow a wildlife documentary style, featuring different types of creatures and environments. This unique concept is what makes their content go viral. Now here's what you need to do. Watch these videos carefully, analyze the scenes, and pick your favorite moments. Then, take screenshots of 2 to 3 scenes that you find the most engaging or visually appealing. Once you've taken your screenshots, move to the next step. Open ChatGPT, upload those images, and also copy and paste the channel link. Then type this instruction. I'm giving you a channel link and some images. I want to create similar types of videos. Give me 10 unique and highly engaging prompts. After hitting enter and waiting a few seconds, you'll see that ChatGPT generates 10 powerful documentary-style prompts for you. These prompts may include scenes like jungle hunting sequences, desert survival environments, ocean creatures, baby fantasy creatures, epic mountain kings. Each prompt is highly unique, visually rich, and designed for viral content creation. Now, carefully review all the prompts. You'll notice how detailed and creative they are. Next, simply copy your favorite prompt and move to the most important step, text-to-image or text-to-video generation. Today, I'll show you an amazing AI tool where you just need to copy and paste the prompt, and your cinematic video will be ready within seconds. Yes, it's that simple. So let's move to the next step and start creating your own viral documentary-style video. First, you need to open the Flow AI Labs website. This platform is very powerful and also free to use as it provides you with daily credits, around 180 credits per day. Once you open the website, simply click on the Create with Flow option and continue. After that, the main interface will load. From here, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, select the video option because we want to generate a text-to-video project. Then click on Text-to-Video to proceed. Now you can adjust the settings according to your needs, such as resolution and other preferences. You'll also see options like generating 1 or 2 variations. If you generate 1 video, it will cost around 20 credits, and if you generate 2, it will cost around 40 credits. For now, I'll select 1. Next, copy your first prompt and paste it into the input field. After pasting, click on the Generate option. Now the video generation process will begin. It usually takes a short time, so you just need to wait a little. Every platform takes some time to process, so there's no need to worry. After waiting briefly, you can see that the first video is ready, complete with visuals and voiceover. Take a look at the result. It has created a unique adventure-style scene featuring a dragon in a snowy environment. The visuals look very engaging and follow a strong trending style. Now, without wasting time, copy your second prompt, paste it again, and click on Generate. Once again, wait for a short moment. After processing, your second video will be ready, this time featuring a high-adventure fire environment with a dragon. The visuals are again very impressive and cinematic. In the same way, copy your third prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. After waiting briefly, your third video will also be ready. If you observe closely, you'll notice how creatively the characters and scenes are generated. The transitions and creature designs make the video feel very unique and engaging. It even includes voiceover, which enhances the overall experience. Now repeat the same process for your fourth prompt. Copy it, paste it, and click on Generate. After a short wait, your fourth video will also be ready. For example, a tiger-based scene or another unique wildlife moment. Now, once all your videos are generated, download them one by one. After downloading, you'll notice that all the videos are very unique, visually strong, and aligned with current trends. Now let's move to the final step. Open your editing software, such as CapCut, and click on the Import option. Import all your generated videos and drag them into the timeline. Arrange them one by one in sequence so they form a complete flow. At this stage, you can also remove any unwanted elements or labels from the clips to make the video look clean and professional, so no one can tell how it was generated. After that, adjust the scale if needed and review all clips carefully. You'll see that each video looks highly engaging and professional. Finally, export your video in high quality, preferably in 4K or any resolution that suits your needs. And here is the final result of your video.
Once thought to be gentle herbivores, these creatures undergo a terrifying metamorphosis when darkness falls, revealing their true nature.
I hope you all really enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.